Tesla Model 3 mirrors can get stuck due to several reasons: ice buildup, motor failure, or software glitches. Ice is a major culprit, especially in cold climates. The auto-fold feature can also cause issues if the motor gets overloaded, requiring a reset. Software bugs, although less common, can also lead to unresponsive mirrors. Ice buildup is the most common cause of stuck mirrors, particularly in cold climates where water can freeze inside the mechanism. This freezes the hinges and prevents the mirrors from folding or unfolding properly. Motor failure occurs when the electric motor that powers the folding mechanism wears out or gets overloaded. This can happen after repeated use of the auto-fold feature or if the motor experiences electrical issues. Software glitches are less common but can occur when firmware bugs cause the mirrors to misinterpret sensor data or fail to respond to commands. This might happen after a software update or if there's a communication issue with the vehicle's computer. These are the main reasons why Tesla Model 3 mirrors get stuck. In the following sections, we'll cover how to diagnose and fix each of these problems, starting with initial checks for ice removal. Before attempting more complex fixes, start with basic checks. First, carefully inspect the mirror for ice buildup that could be causing the mechanism to jam. If you find ice, remove it using a de-icer spray or warm water. Apply the solution gently to melt the ice without damaging the mirror housing or mechanism. Next, try manually folding the mirrors. Tesla's design allows you to gently pull the mirror outward by hand. This simple action can sometimes dislodge minor obstructions and free up the mechanism. After attempting manual folding, test the mirrors by using the touchscreen controls once more to see if the issue has been resolved. If ice removal doesn't resolve the issue, perform a motor reset via the touchscreen. This recalibrates the mirror motor to fix problems from overload or software glitches. Access the touchscreen and navigate to the Controls menu. From Controls, select Mirrors to access mirror settings. Look for the Reset option and activate it. The system will attempt to recalibrate the mirror motors. If you don't see the Reset option on the touchscreen, try using the Tesla app for remote calibration. After performing a reset via touchscreen or app, drive your Tesla Model 3 at a low speed in an open area. This allows the system to safely recalibrate the mirror sensors. While driving slowly, manually control the mirrors using the touchscreen. Fold and unfold them repeatedly to help the sensors relearn their positions. Perform this folding and unfolding process multiple times to ensure complete recalibration. The mirrors should now operate smoothly. Always check your surroundings carefully before attempting this procedure to ensure safety. If the previous steps like ice removal, manual override, touchscreen reset, app calibration, or driving recalibration fail to fix your Tesla Model 3's stuck mirrors, the issue might be more complex and require advanced diagnostics. In such cases, use Tesla's official diagnostic tool or a third-party OBD2 scanner to check for specific error codes. These tools connect to your vehicle's onboard computer and reveal issues with the mirror motors or the body control module that controls them. Tesla's diagnostic software, like the T-Diag tool shown here, allows you to read diagnostic trouble codes directly from the vehicle's systems. Third-party OBD2 scanners, as seen in this example, can also access similar data through the standard connector. Error codes related to the mirror motors might indicate motor failures, electrical shorts, or sensor malfunctions, while BCM codes could point to control module issues. This wiring diagram illustrates how the BCM connects to various vehicle systems, including the mirrors. These codes provide valuable clues about the exact nature of the problem and which component needs attention. However, interpreting and acting on diagnostic codes requires technical knowledge. Use caution when using these tools, and seek help from a certified Tesla technician if you're not comfortable with advanced diagnostics to avoid causing further damage. Tesla's warranty typically covers motor failures for up to 8 years or 150,000 miles. If the mirror is still under warranty and the reset procedures don't work, contact Tesla service. Motor failures often require hardware replacements, which are best handled by Tesla technicians. Note that ice damage might not be covered if deemed user-caused. Looking ahead, future Tesla models will incorporate advanced weatherproofing to better resist ice and moisture buildup. AI-driven diagnostics will predict and prevent mirror failures, before they occur. For current Model 3 owners, preventive maintenance is essential. Regularly inspect mirrors for ice buildup, especially in cold climates. Avoid forcing the mirrors manually, as this can damage the motors. Promptly perform software updates through the Tesla app to access the latest fixes and calibrations. By staying proactive with these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of mirror issues and ensure reliable operation.